Help Cherokee County keep the Wreath green this holiday season by practicing fire safety and helping prevent house fires. From December 1st to January 1st, wreaths will be on display across the county. Every time there is a structure fire, a red bulb will replace a green bulb. Follow these simple steps to minimize your fire risk. Be sure to water your natural tree often to prevent dry needles from becoming a fire hazard, or utilize an artificial tree. Discard your tree as soon as possible after the holidays. Check your lights for exposed or frayed wires, loose connections, and broken sockets. Never leave lit candles unattended. Store matches and lighters away from children. Never overload electrical outlets. Keep space heaters at least 3 feet away from any other object. Be careful about having a fire when stockings are hung on the fireplace. Use a fireplace screen to prevent sparks from escaping. Have your chimney inspected once a year. Keep a 3-foot kid-free zone around the oven and stove. Check your smoke alarm batteries. Sleep with your bedroom doors closed to prevent spread of fire. Review your family fire escape plan and have a meeting place outside the home in case of a fire. Teach your guests your fire escape plan. Wreaths will be placed at fire stations, community areas, and schools. Be sure to check them out and please help us spread the word about fire safety. Just over 30% of home fires that begin with Christmas trees occur in January. The longer a natural tree is kept in the home after Christmas, the more likely it is to dry out and ignite. A Christmas tree can be fully engulfed within 25 seconds of being ignited. Cherokee County Fire and Emergency Services strongly encourages people to remove live Christmas trees from their homes promptly after the holiday season. Dispose of your tree locally at Hobgood Park in Woodstock during the annual Bring One for the Chipper event. For details, visit PlayCherokee.org. For more information on fire prevention and holiday safety, visit SafeKidsCherokeeCounty.org.